Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm doing watercolor of citrus, orange, lemon and lime. I'm gonna try it in a different way today. So I'm starting with basic pencil drawing. I have used lids and cups to make the circles instead of by hand. So, and drawing them the edible part opposite to each other is the easier way than drawing them one next to the other. So first I'm doing the peel, orange peel, and the inside orange part. I'm leaving white lines kind of thing, like the shiny part of the orange. I hope I could leave the looking like the wetness. I'll try that too soon so that it looks real. I apologize because of the gooseneck camera holder. If someone bumps into the chair, it keeps shaking, but I try to keep it steady. And I tried initially lighter, and then it didn't seem like orange to me, so I went on and added a little darker orange. So I'm doing the same thing with all, kind of doing a border and then leaving the white gaps in the middle, so it looks like a fresh orange, freshly cut orange, the shining part of which falls on the orange pearls. I'm doing the orange slow here. The lime and lemon will be, I have did fast forward it, and then the leaves. So if I have put the whole video, it would have taken more than an hour. So for you to understand how I did the lime and lemon, I'm doing this orange slow. I did both of them in the same way. Here you can see there is a lot of gap in between the oranges. So after that I realized that it doesn't look like actual orange, and then I looked at the pictures of oranges, and then I reduced the gap in between. So yeah, as we are adding the colors, it's coming brighter. I'm using Prang 16 watercolor set. They have two oranges. You can watch in my previous video what colors they have and the swatches I have did with that. So here again I'm using 2 cups of water. So I took little bit of yellow and run it around. I wanted it to merge with the blend with the orange peel, so it looks real. And then I haven't erased the pencil marks in the inside the circle, but for the yellow one I had to go and erase the lot of pencil marks for them not to be seen. Yes, as I was saying, I was using 2 containers to do yellow and the lighter colors, and try to use 2 brushes. And doing here is the dark spots which we have on the orange to give it a actual realistic look. I tried to use 2 different brushes also to keep them like fresh. As I'm recording, sometimes I use the same brush for yellow, but when I'm not recording or doing a tutorial, I carefully use two different brushes for lighter colors and darker colors. I have bought a different watercolors brushes set which I haven't used yet, so I will try to do that in my next video and see how they turn out. Here also I have did the same technique with the lemon, leaving the white gaps and making it look more real. First you have to do the peel and wait for it to dry and then blend it with the white. As soon as if you blend it in the initial stage, it won't look good. Wait for it to dry and then do the blending part. And here I have added a tinge of yellow, greenish yellow spots on the lemon. And then now I'm going for the lime. I'm doing the same thing for that. As you can see, now I went back and filled the gaps in between with orange, and I did the same thing with the lime and lemon to make it look more real. When you cut the orange and we realize they are very close, like a thin paper is in between layer, otherwise they are not very far away. And here I have drawn leaves. I didn't do the leaves randomly. I went and drew the leaves. I think all the leaves of this citrus tree look same as per my memory. I started doing them randomly, different sizes, different shapes, and then I decided to do one side as light green and the other side as dark green. So initially I finished first all the light greens, and then I did the dark green, and then finally I filled in the gaps with the black. So it made the orange, lime and lemons pop out. So this was I was planning to do, but I couldn't get the real watercolor effect on the leaves. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.